It is quite red, by the way. It's pretty good. Visually striking, that's for sure. Oh, it's hot. Ooh! I don't know, we might be close. I don't know. This sheet's pretty big. Fuck yeah, spread it! Alright. Here's where we're at. The topping looks pretty good. That looks like enough topping to me. What do you guys think? Pretty thick too. We got like 1.5 here. We did it, dude! So heavy. Holy shit. Sayonara, friend. Started to like boil up through our breadcrumbs here, but it looks good. I'd almost be tempted to like broil it because I don't know if this top stuff is gonna be like crispy. There's your close-up. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Found an article on crisping with a torch. Can I see the credentials of the author, please? Can someone tell me what they are so I know if I need to click on it or not? So I guess I'll give you guys another look at this, but it looks like it came up pretty good. We got like little flecks of pepper in there. The cheese sauce came up pretty thick, but not too thick. And the crumble looks pretty good too. I guess I don't really know what else to say other than I need to try it, but it looks pretty good. I don't know how it'll taste. Hopefully better than regular Cheetos mac, because regular Cheetos mac kind of sucks a little bit. I'm being honest with you. We'll go for a bite here in a second. Hopefully it's not too hot and I don't spit this out all over. It's actually really good. I did not expect it to be this good. I guess my rating out of 10. That would be like an 8. 8 out of 10. 9 being the satisfaction of achieving world peace. Okay, maybe not that. Maybe not that high. I think in terms of like food quality and like exceeding my expectations on like the review bra scale, I think this is like for sure an 8 out of 10. Dude, look how greasy the plate is. I'm not gonna lick that. Gross. Gross.